In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in DocHub. Editing a template in DocHub is a lot like working on any other document, and once you know where to look, it's quick and straightforward. We'll start by opening your template, move through the essential editing tools in the toolbar, and wrap up by saving your changes so they're safely stored in your account. Begin by signing into your DocHub account and heading to your dashboard. From there, open your templates folder or list and locate the template you want to modify. Click it to launch the DocHub editor. You'll see the document in the main area and a toolbar across the top. This is where you'll spend most of your time. The default pointer tool lets you select, move, resize, or delete items already on the page, including annotations, form fields, signatures, and images. Click any element to reveal its handles, then drag to adjust or press delete to remove. If something isn't lining up perfectly, use small deliberate movements for precise placement. To add new text, choose the text tool, then click where you want the text to appear. Type your content and use the formatting options to adjust font, size, and color so it matches the style of your template. You can always move or resize the text box afterward, which is handy for aligning labels and notes. For visual accents or callouts, switch to the Draw tool. You can sketch freehand or insert clean shapes like rectangles, circles, and arrows from the submenu. These are great for highlighting sections or creating simple layout elements. Adjust border thickness, color, and fill as needed to keep everything consistent. If you need to emphasize or revise existing content, use highlight, underline, or strike through. You can select text directly or frame an area to apply the effect. When you must remove or hide content, whiteout or redact will cover it. Whiteout masks content visually, while redaction is meant for permanently obscuring sensitive information. To brand your template, choose Insert Image and upload a logo or other graphic. Place it where you want, then drag the corners to resize proportionally. Stamps like check marks or X marks are perfect for indicating selections on checkboxes or lists. And if your template requires a signature or initials, use the Sign or Initial tool to insert your stored e-signature with a click. DocHub often saves your work automatically, but it's best practice to finalize by clicking Done or Download/Export in the top right. This confirms your edits and ensures everything is saved to the template version in your account. That's it. Your template is updated and ready to use.